Hello all, myself Dr. Shanti Verma. In today's session, I am going to discuss e-commerce business models. Let's first discuss the learning objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you are able to describe the principal e-commerce business and revenue models, explain how e-commerce has transformed marketing, explain how e-commerce has affected business to business transactions. Let's first discuss what is e-commerce. Basically, e-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services or the transactions of funds or data over the electronic network, that is the internet. Next, discuss how e-commerce growth. Basically, e-commerce has root in the society in the early 1995. The strength of the e-commerce is a 24 by 7 and 365 days of availability. And the advancement of the technology such as personal computers, mobile devices alongside the decrease in the prices of the technology allows the millions of individuals to gain access of the internet and the e-commerce activities, and the span of the e-commerce is now worldwide. E-commerce also act as an interactive entity. Now let's discuss types of the e-commerce. Basically, there are three types of e-commerce that I want to discuss here. A business to business, B2B, business to customer, that is B2C, and customer to customer, that is C2C. In the matrix, you can see that there are the two possibilities, business and customer, and with the help of the business and customers, these different models are derived. Business to business model is a business which makes transactions with other. In B2C, merchants sell products to a customer, while in C2C, transaction auctions from consumer to consumer. Let's first take a C2C. The examples of C2C are Amazon, eBay, and the Craigslist. Let's discuss what is a market creator. Basically, the environment or a digital environment which provides buyers and sellers can meet, search for products, display products, and establishes prices for those products. The value proposition is they provide a platform where the sellers can easily display products and purchases, can buy directly from the sellers, and generate revenue from the transaction fees. Uh, let's take one example of eBay as a business model. Basically, eBay's product is the collective activity of all its users. What is brokerage in the eBay? eBay provides an online forum or market space where seller can display their wares for buyers to purchase. Generate income from fees. A seller pays for a posting and the selling item. Gains collective intelligence from community discussions, boards, and improve their services. Global reach, which allows a seller to develop a nice. The second business model eBay used is the borrowing or bidding and auction, that is are free, but sellers are charged transaction fee for the right to sell their good on eBay. The original transaction fees they charge is an insertion fee, final value fee, and upsells listing fee. The insertion fee when an item is listed, non-refundable fee is charged based on the seller's opening bid on the item. Final value fee, once the auction is completed, a fee is charged ranges from 1.25% to 5% of the final sale price, and the upsell listing fees enhance auction features highlighted on the board. These all types of the business models used by eBay to generate revenue. The next model used by eBay is a PayPal money or the payment website. In the PayPal or payment website, it takes a 2.9% plus $0.30 fee for each sale and $150 if there is a $150 sale, $4.65 fees, then total profit is a $145.35. The current transaction fees included in this business model is a regular sellers, power sellers and upgrade listing. For regular sellers, 20 free listing, final value fee flat 10% on selling price. For power sellers, subscription package between 152 to 1500 free listing and final value fee of 4% to 9%. Upgrade listing means more pictures, search optimization and the fixed prices are listed. Now let's discuss the revenue model of eBay for three business segments. Basically, how eBay makes money from the marketplaces. You can see in the figure that there are three participants. That one is eBay, that is a website. Second is a buyer, and third is a sellers. Basically, seller paid a transaction fee on the product sold, and eBay provides seller services. Basically, eBay buyers access to eBay marketplace via website and the mobile app. Buyers purchase products on eBay online marketplace and release the product payments also. Then how eBay makes money from the e-commerce payments. In e-commerce payments, there is a one person, that is a PayPal. PayPal is used to as a payment gateway. Buyer pay payment to the seller from buyer PayPal's accounts, and the PayPal's payment from the buyers to the seller's PayPal account minus the transaction charges. In between that, these product purchases request via e-commerce websites or the mobile app between buyer and sellers for the product. In this this transaction charges are the revenue that generated by the eBay. Next, how eBay makes money from enterprises. eBay is a one enterprises that deals with the retailers, and retailers deal with the buyers. Then eBay basically commerce technologies, omni-channel operations and the marketing solutions that provide to the retailers. Retailers sell products for the purchase on the websites on eBay as an enterprise solution. Buyers purchase a product and give the payment for the product purchased, and the retailer's net transaction revenue of the total gross merchandise sales. In this transaction, eBay Enterprises charges some fees from the retailers for this transaction. Now let's discuss B2C business model. Basically, B2C means business to consumer, and before e-commerce, B2C was replaced by a consumer shopping and purchasing goods at a mall or other retailer location. But today, B2C often refers to the various retailers who offer online services, and the most retailer have both physical and the online retails. B2C makes a revenue through the direct sales to the customers as well as shipping for the some retailers such as the Amazon, which has its own shipping methods. Some examples of B2C are Amazon.com, HP, Target, Victoria's Secret, Brands and Nobles, etc. Now let's discuss B2B business model. B2B means business to business. B2B is when both parties in transactions and businesses. E-commerce B2B is an electronic exchange of business document among businesses for the purpose of the conducting commerce. It includes the use of the contract manufacturing, customer declaration, global trade, compliance, order management, and supply chain logistics. By using the e-commerce B2B, companies can improve communication among the partners and enhance the purchasing experience from business to business. Basically, e-commerce B2B is also used to facilitate the transfer of the raw materials parts and components from which additional profit is derived through manufacturing or the final sales to the customers. In B2B business is also called as e-tailers, which are companies that sell the physical product directly to consumer or to individual businesses. Most B2B use the sales revenue model to bring in the money, and using the sales revenue model, companies derive revenue by selling goods, information and services. On the company's website, the company can sell directly to the other businesses. B2B business models used supplier different types, that is a supplier oriented, buyer oriented and intermediary oriented. A supplier oriented means a common marketplace provided by a supplier is used by both individual customers as well as the business users. Buyer oriented means buyer has his or own marketplace or e-market and he or she can invite its suppliers to bid on the product's catalog. While in the intermediary oriented, a company runs a marketplace where business buyers and sellers can transact with each other. Some examples of B2B are Quill.com, Ferguson.com, Granger.com. Quill.com is used for office supplies owned by the Staples. Ferguson.com provides you bath, kitchen and lighting supplies, while Granger.com contracting tools and supplies. On the basis of the e-commerce business model, I give you one question. Explain e-commerce business model in details with examples. You can refer these references for more learning. Thank you.